Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is ASUS ROG Phone 9, and in this video I am going to show you how to change icon size on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to hold on our wallpaper like this, and right here we have this icon that we have to click on to manage our icons, and right here, as you can see, we have this icon size, and here we can set it by adjusting this dot, and when we click apply, as you can see, they are now smaller. And basically that's it. That's how you can change icon size. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.